Here we are at the Grow Watt sponsored All Energy Australia Show 2023 in Melbourne, starting with the EEC. I'm going from north to south, west to east as we go. They are an energy efficiency council. They're into building efficiency, including insulation and all that sort of stuff. Moving right along, here we are. Solar technology. Oh yeah, flexible panels. Give them a look. So, got anything to glue to the top of a car?
Yeah, sure. This one.
That one there, beautiful. Oh, it's for sale too. Maybe I'll see you later. And that's a flexible crystalline?
Yes, sure.
Ah, great. Okay, got to do quick videos. Moving along, thank you.
Okay.
Cheers. Next stall, ERS Tech. Who are we? LED lights. Sorry, also air conditioning. What else? Oh, what are we doing? What are we doing shower heads for at a solar show? Oh yeah, they're all into VECs, is it? The VEU, yeah, for water efficiency and all that. Megawatt power, very fancy analytical equipment here. For it even tests the weather and the conditions, so it can calculate accurately the what is it?
Electrical characteristics.
Electrical characteristics of the string, correct.
And record the IV curve.
And record the IV curve. These guys are a solar panel manufacturer. Give them a look if you're interested. Here we go. Portable power stations, UPS. Do any of these models have PV input, solar input?
Yes.
Oh yeah, great.
You can see we have solar panels.
Oh yeah, there you go. Look them up. Here we go, wire and cable. Obviously for solar farms, no doubt.
Yes.
Got it.
Yeah.
Mind you, that is very good for automation in industry.
Yes, it's control keyboards.
Yes.
Yes, we can.
I also dabble in that, not just solar. Weed muller, yes, very much into industrial electrical, but also doing it's like combiner boxes and whatnot for solar here. So there you go. Bunch of battery types here, from big, little. You do HV and low V batteries? Well, it says so right there. 1000 volt DC. You got low voltage?
Low voltage?
48 volts, 50 volts?
Yes.
Yeah, got them too. And it's LF, what is it?
LFP.
LFP. That was those guys. Moving right along. Better ask you a few questions. LFP?
Yes. Yes.
Low voltage?
Yeah.
Got high voltage too?
High voltage also have.
Yeah, also have high voltage. Done. And that's these guys here. Here's a real good one, Enabond. Why do I say that? Because it's unusual to see graphene supercapacitor batteries.
Yeah.
Obviously 400 volts. It's got its circuit protection at the top, bit of monitoring, not an inverter, and supercapacitor batteries.
Yeah. Modules.
Are these also supercapacitors?
Yes.
The whole lot?
This one for the house.
All right, well, let's get your contact. You're Lester, are you?
Yeah, Lester.
There we go. Okay. There's the name. What do they got? Obviously, they've got their ex-demo panels for sale after the show. Flexible crystalline panels, poly or monocrystalline? Mono. Now, these batteries, what are they? Let's have a look. PO4.
Yeah, like LIFEPO.
Yeah, LiFePOs, yeah. LiFePOs and the usual stack, as we see with many manufacturers these days. There they are. Moving right along.
You're doing what?
Oh, it's the same stall.
The video?
He's a manufacturer of the usual small domestic off-grid package. It does off-grid, see, it says so on the sign, so it's not just hybrid. There is the inverter, LV battery, what chemical? LiFePO, and it's LiFePO batteries, lithium iron phosphate. And look, there's something interesting, a solar pumping inverter. I like that, that's a bit different. Next is these guys, and it's all mobile solar power stations. Hook up your trailer, flip out your solar panels, away you go. You got power on site for whatever purpose, plus generators and whatnot. There you go, have a look. Open solar, software for design and all that sort of stuff, is it?
Yeah, like
it's like
sales.
Sales. It's an ECRM, yeah? Not quite, kind of.
Yeah.
So you plaster the panels on there, and you get yields and whatnot and everything. Got it. Thank you. Next up, we got these guys, and they do the stacks of batteries, LiFePO. There we go. Probably HV and low voltage as well. Plus the smaller ones too for the replacement of the lead acid there. Sorry, that is old school lead acid. These guys have a 30 kilowatt three-phase inverter, right?
Yeah.
And it still goes with LV batteries, or LV 30 kilowatt. Wow, that's different.
It's a 48 volt battery.
That's a 48 volt battery there. Here's your inverter. What size inverter is it?
This one is a 10 kilowatt.
10 kilowatt, but you got up to 30. And LV batteries, are you compatible with BYD?
Yes, and that can be finally...
Well, they don't have a sign overhead, so there they are, Tron Tech. And the big one about this is if I got 3 of these three-phase units, I can connect the backup output in parallel with the other 2 units and get parallel multiplication of my backup capacity.
So it says parallel operation up to 6 units.
Up to 6 units. There's all the specs there. This is quite a good feature, very good feature. And it all uses low voltage batteries. Next up, we've got these guys, and they're doing batteries. Looks like they do everything. We use standard stacks. You got your smaller batteries, and you got HV as well.
HV?
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Oh, that is a HV battery. Okay.
This is LV.
And what inverters are you in bed with?
Well, there are obviously compatible inverters with this.
Yeah, there's a list. Yeah,
and I could send you that through, mate.
No worries. I'll just take a quick video. Thank you. RJ batteries. Another battery. Jumping in bed with Victron over there. Very good. Look them up. Yet another battery supplier. Look at this. Look them up. Looks like they're doing LiFePOs. Commercial, small, the whole range as usual. What's this? This is their small commercial. Interesting, interesting. I'm sure it's got some great features. There you go. Have a look. Am I in focus? All right, we've got cable management here. Oh yeah. Okay. These guys are doing thermoplastic. Let's have a look at thermoplastic. Here it is on the wall, and that's obviously UV and all that sort of stabilised and whatnot. And is this cheaper than metal?
Depends which metal.
Oh, depends on which metal. And why would I go this? What is it? Reinforced glass plastic? No, what is it? Some secret formula. 11 secret herbs and spices. Yeah.
Correct.
And why would I go this over metal?
Why? It's simple to install.
Simple and plug and play.
Plug and play. It's like a Meccano set.
Like a Meccano set.
You don't have to earth it.
Don't have to earth it. Got it.
Electrically insulating.
It's electrically insulating. It doesn't corrode, and you don't have to spray the ends when you cut it. Got it. All right, thank you very much. This guy is going to clean your panels with this fantastic machine so you can generate more power. That's it. Give them a look. There you go. Exide, we all know who Exide are. Big company. They're in the game. They got their container size, container size stuff, and their domestic size stuff. Have a look at that. And then you got this big all-in-one cabinet with a 3-phase inverter and a bunch of batteries.
That's correct.
And a BMS. Well done, thank you. 33 kilowatt hours, and what's the inverter rated at?
30 kilowatts.
30 kilowatts. Oh, good size for EV charger at home, not just commercial.
Exactly. Yeah.
Here you go. Here's the details. And what inverter is this system in bed with?
Cinexcel.
Cinexcel.
You can't see it.
Yeah, but the PV photovoltaic inverter. A little bit industrial. You've got to marry it to your inverter with the kilowatt hour meter using CAN and the BMS there. Now these guys here, they're serious about cleaning solar panels on solar farms. Probably a bit big for anything I'll be into myself, but apparently paying these guys to clean panels will increase yields to cover the cost of the cleaning. Elum Energy. I have no idea what's going on here. Let's ask some questions. Oh, ground mounting solutions for solar farms. Okay, next we've got EVNEX. All about EV charging. I don't know what inverters they're in bed with regarding load management, charging and discharging with a hybrid inverter. You don't want them clashing with each other. I'll ask a quick question. They tell me that they can communicate with your inverter and so you can manage charging the car instead of the house batteries, or can prevent conflict between the two. So they can do that. Red flow batteries. They become more efficient price-wise the bigger the battery system. Okay. And being the world's smallest commercially available zinc bromine flow battery, that means you can start smaller than usual. Amp control. Looks like they're putting in substations for solar farms. Yeah. Okay, next we got Osprey Solutions, and looks like they're into some serious monitoring. These days you've got to play the grid like a stock exchange. You've got to know when to export. How's that song go with Kenny Rogers, the gambler? Got to know when to export. Got to know when to import. Sort of like that. And check out these guys. Okay, HD Solar. They do this. Here we go, Valen Pairing Excellence. We are doing Victron, and we're doing batteries, and we're doing big cabinets. And caught that, they're doing supercapacitors. There you go. LV supercapacitors? Yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, they're worth a look. That's the second stall I've seen with supercapacitors today. Very good, thank you. Next we have these guys. Don't have... g'day.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we're doing DC and AC coupling. That's very interesting.
What are you looking for today?
I'm just taking notes. You got your own batteries as well. Oh no, compatible list of batteries, right?
Yeah.
There they all are there. Yeah. Probably you got a 3-phase inverter here by any chance? 3-phase?
For different capacity hybrid inverter, our battery also compatible with them.
Hybrid inverter, 8 kilowatt single phase. You got a 3-phase here?
Yes, it's 14 kilowatt.
14 kilowatt 3-phase.
Yeah, this is our 10.
Can you multiply the units and put them in parallel? So 16 pieces in parallel.
Sure.
Can you parallel the backup outputs of these inverters?
Where our BMS could support 16 pieces for parallel connection.
Parallel connection.
Yeah.
And that means also uniting the backup, the off-grid side is paralleled?
Sure.
Yeah?
Our battery also compatible with off-grid inverter.
Okay, got it. All right, thank you. Cheers.
Okay. May I have an app? Can we scan
a bit of a communication problem, but I do think that you can parallel the backup outputs from the inverters to multiply the output. Yes, thank you. Cheers, thank you. Next we have Wiremakers Australia, and they make labels and signs. Well, there you go. Have a look at that. Next we have Trinity Touch, and looks like you're doing combiner boxes and whatnot here. But what's this? Is this your software for monitoring as well, is it?
For SCADA.
SCADA. You're doing SCADA?
Yeah, SCADA.
Right. There you go. And you got is that a PLC, that green thing?
PLC.
Oh yeah. And what sort of brand is that one?
Phoenix Contact.
So you, oh yeah, it's a Phoenix Contacts one. Right, I got it. Cheers. So basically, when you buy a combiner box, you want to monitor what's going on per string, correct?
Yeah.
Calculate, make sure your system's working well.
In this solution, we can also, like if you have multiple projects, we can also have like a centralized view where you can see the monitoring of each of these projects as well.
Yeah.
In one TV. Yeah.
Oh yeah, great.
Yeah.
I know these guys, Greenbox Solutions. You guys are in Springvale, correct? Yes, sir. Yes. Oh yeah, and we're doing grid protection boxes here at a fairly competitive price, if I recall correctly. Hey, this one's pretty huge. What's going on here? This is not just a grid protection box, this is the whole shebang. Okay, hi Max. Hi Max, how you going? What do we got here? We've got lithium iron phosphate batteries, deep cycle, and these are any of these replace. These is for replacement of basically the old school lead acid.
Yes.
Yeah, got it.
And we also have customizing battery.
Customizing.
Yeah.
Oh, customizing, yes. make your own
Yeah.
to certain specs. That's very interesting to be able to make your own.
To fit in the customer's project.
Yeah,
Yeah.
custom order your own.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I'm not going to get out the soldering iron and put a whole lot of them together myself. So, no. I'm only kidding. Yes, there's a nice package there. Oh, this is pretty self-explanatory. Off-grid systems, power skids. Drop it off on a truck, and there you go. They're using Victron. There's a nice, neat package over there, and here's another one here. Pylon Tech batteries. Okay, these guys. They're doing containers of microgrid systems. Drop it off on site and then build your village around it. Meanwhile, what's this other one? This is more for the house. Residential. Very neat package, that one.
The next generation will be extended.
Looks like they got the batteries here and the inverter on top. 15 kilowatts PV. But if you, how many strings? This is the catch. If you've got 15 kilowatts, you need more than 2 inputs. Otherwise, you're going to go over 600 volt domestic. But let's have a look at the output. Grid output is 10 kilowatts. Very nice size. Is it single phase? Yeah, no, it's 3-phase, 230, 400. Now this is something that gets overlooked a lot. They usually mount them flat and they accumulate dust, correct?
Correct.
And you've got these clips that leach water.
No.
No, they hold things on there to stop the birds getting in.
Stop the birds and the possums getting
Possums, yes. And but I've also seen some clips that take water out.
in. Yeah, we've heard about them. They move up and slot down.
Move up and slot down. There you go. Fantastic.
For terracotta or...
Any undulating roof.
Correct.
And this is the cheaper version, yeah? Cheaper version. And the piss off the birds version, yeah? Yeah. Ah, g'day. Yes. I have been here before. I was checking out racking because of the earth plates. Yeah, that's right. We had a solution for that because they're very, very annoying. But it looks like all the manufacturers of racking have addressed that issue. Now, I like the tripod because you can set up a tripod before you put the panels down. Ah, yeah, that's it. See, here's your particular solution.
Yeah.
The earth plate is going to move with the panels.
Yes.
So you don't end up adjusting your panels and then this falls out from underneath one panel and then it's really hard to get it back in. You know the story. Well, they've addressed the problem. Look at that.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, there they are. These guys are next. And they're doing... What on earth is that? Why you got barbecue coming out the top? What's that meant to represent?
Yeah, with the charcoal.
Charcoal, yeah. What do we got here? Big containers. Fire and explosion protection. Ah, you're making hatches.
Yeah, in a sense, we're creating explosion vent panels.
Oh, they blow out when there's an explosion.
Exactly.
I see.
So it's blowing up towards the sky, which is a safe.
Up to the sky and not cause the container to bulge because it's the...
Exactly.
Yeah, like a valve. Yeah, got it. Here we go. Right, what do we got here? We got some cable guys. Look them up. Oh, and they got cable clips as well, cable management. They've got their own MC4 connector. What do you call it? Generic version thereof. And we've got some, looks like some heat-proof stuff here, and all the rest of the. We've got some big DC cables there. Not just the 4mm or 6mm, 25mm. Wow, and all other sizes. Great. Ah, download their chart off the website, huh? There you go. Is that, oh, better get your. Don't ring China. Where's your website? Where's your website? All right, ring China then. Okay, generators. So call these guys when the sun stops shining and you've got a contract to continue power supply. Okay, what do we got here? We've got a multi-function power bank. Anyway, FR cable. Here we go. Looks. I think I've been here before. I was quite impressed. But you are looking for a supplier in Australia. Do you have one?
You mean the distributor?
The distributor, yeah.
Currently, we do not have.
Okay. Certificates, you need them.
Yes.
So these guys here are the actual installation contractors for solar farms. Okay, Rated Power doing PV design. As I said, you've got to play the energy market like a stock exchange these days. Give them a buzz. Contraco Pty. G'day, I've no idea what you're doing just by face value.
Sorry?
What do you do here? I can't tell.
Some compliance and workflow software for installers.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, it's an all-in-one platform to get everything about the job sorted regards red tape. And as we know, red tape is ridiculous in the solar industry. Allume. Can't tell just by looking. What are you doing?
Do you want to take it or I take it?
Solar sharing. This is like some...
solar for apartments.
Oh, yeah.
You've got that common roof space.
We're talking about embedded networks? No? So we've got an apartment building. They all share the solar. These guys install behind the meter and they get to choose their own retailer. So this is the hub of the system where it does all of the behind the meter monitoring there, and it works with any inverter, etc. Protection. So here we go. And they, what, tech screws there?
Yep.
Onto the... How do I do clip lock?
Clip lock, they actually, our bracket sits on top of a clip lock.
Yeah, you got a bracket to show me for the clip lock?
We don't sell.
But there is a clip lock,
there is a clip lock that you can use.
Attachment.
It's a solid clip lock that you can actually use.
And then you screw this to it.
Yep.
And that goes around the edge. How often do you have to put the span?
2.8 apart.
2.8 apart, and put some aluminium poles.
Yep.
Got it, thank you. There they go. Looks like we've got a row of tech screws there and a row of tech screws there. That means you can only put 2 in this particular one. RES. Energy markets. I can't tell what they're doing unless they're playing the energy market like a stock exchange. Looks like it. Wasn't expecting to find raw honey at the solar show. This looks good. Looks like something very, very efficient. I want to build my own iron flow battery and save money on lithium ion. What do you do? This looks good. How does this store energy?
So this is a flywheel.
Oh, flywheel.
Yeah.
Excellent.
It's energy and inertia.
Is that representing a big lump of steel?
Yes. So that's the
wow.
wheel.
And how long can this store energy for before it spins down?
How long can it store energy for? Just idle?
Yeah, like how, like
10 days.
10 days.
Yeah.
Wow.
So if you're leaving
And a lot.
it out idle,
Yeah.
it just stays there.
Yeah. I mean, as long as you've got a cycle of usability and storage on a daily basis, then it's going to work well.
Yeah.
But if you're going to have it standby for turning on once a year, no. I know, very, very cost efficient then, isn't it?
So
A lot cheaper than this will store how many kilowatt hours?
32.
32 kilowatt hours.
Yeah.
It'll spin around, but it's going to cost a lot less than a lithium ion battery.
Definitely.
And as long as you've got a charge and discharge cycle once a day, you're going to be fine with efficiency.
Yeah.
Great. I like it. They're really into spinny with this blue pack camping accessories. I'm sure there's a PV input here somewhere. Blah 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 blah.
Hello.
You got a solar panel to plug in into any of these models? Well, a solar panel plug in, yeah? 12 volt solar panel?
Yeah.
That thing over there, fold up thing. Yeah, got it. Ah, not pylon, Philion. Got it. And it does pretty much the same thing as Pylon by the looks of it. I don't know why I haven't heard of them. They're the world's leading supplier of EV batteries. Yeah, there you go. There's a picture of, in the background there, EV truck battery. Light commercial. Oh, I'd like a light commercial EV van myself. And of course you're doing homes and residential as well.
Yes.
So you were before Pylon Tech. You started in 2003.
Yes.
Very good. Yes. Here we have the Australian government. So let's keep moving. Okay, what do we got here? Danfoss. Variable speed drive manufacturers are getting in the game here, are they? No one's here. Are you from Danfoss? No. No. Oh well. They make variable speed drives. There we go. I don't see what they're doing here, but there they are. These guys are the testing authority that the CEC makes everyone jump through hoops for.
It depends on the products.
Yes, and they're doing everything: panels, inverters, batteries, and of course they do a checklist to make sure they comply with all of the various standards. Here we have Form Bay, STC Trader, Zonergy. Oh, we got an inverter and accessories to go with that inverter. We're doing big stuff, we're doing small stuff, and intermediate stuff. Let's have a look at these specs. Looks like it's a bit of a high voltage input there. So that's a 10 kilowatt unit. Boamax, the preferred supplier for North Korea. There's Kim Jong-un with his back to us now. I don't know, it looks like these guys are making the cells themselves used in PV panels. Let's ask some questions. Well, they got their own product line. Interesting, integrated carport. There's that microinverter again. We've got our EV charger and the pay as you go. I'll put that in my driveway. People can pay me to charge up their car. Okay, we've got some batteries as well. Looks like the usual combo that a lot of manufacturers are providing. The stack is preferred. And I was correct, they do make actual cells themselves, so that's very interesting. Been making them for many years in China. Making cells, and you got your own brand panel. Your own panel brand here too. Yeah. There we go. Here we go, Fluke meters. We all know about Fluke meters. Premium meters. Power analyzers, infrared guns and whatnot. Is there anything specific for PV? You got anything specific for solar?
Yes, I believe so.
Where's your Gizmo bang for solar? Testing solar panels and arrays. Which tool is it? Oh, this one here.
Yep.
Aha. Okay, let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, polarity, all the rest of it. Oh yeah, I see. Oh, it's got the whole lot. Great, and that's called the SMFT 1000. I was thirsty. Here I am at Kappa. They have little UPSs with PV input. Has it got an MPP tracker in it, or just a 12 volt?
This one MPPT.
MPPT.
This one is
now, the thing that struck me with their range of gear, as everyone does have, is the IP67 battery. A lot of them are IP54, and that sucks. So that's a very good thing to have the IP67 battery. Looks like these guys are doing batteries. There we go. Usual stack, all the features. So have a quick look at that. Oh, it's an inverter on top, is it? Well, there you go. I like the fact that that's a inverter, and that means we have we've got our in and out with the line and neutral. I can't see any PV in it. Tell a lie, you do. It's not AC coupled. You put PV into it, up to 80 amps. So this is an all-in-one multi-mode. There you go.
Can do it all-in-one.
Yeah, all-in-one. But I don't think you're going to get 80 amps through that. Anyway, you work it out. You got the video. There you go. And you got some big stuff over there as well. Cheers. Oh, yeah, you got this one as well. Bit different here. Bit different here. All in one again. Oh, inverter with the battery. Smaller system.
Yes, the PV input and
PV input,
and the AC input output.
Oh yeah, all the
input output the AC.
Well, single tracker. Single tracker.
Yeah, single.
They're all single tracker. That one has what? 3-phase.
3-phase.
Thank you. Battery only AC couple. There you go. This is what. Ostrom Energy. They are using Victron and Solus, and they're putting packages together. You're putting a kit together and selling it.
Absolutely.
I get it. Yeah.
Like to keep everybody happy.
And you got your own battery, have you?
Yes.
This is your battery here, the Pi test. Righto, got it. Thank you. And that looks like it's got a bit of punch in there. Is there an inverter in there? It's just a battery. Oh yeah, it is, because there's a Solus there.
That's a hybrid inverter.
How many kilowatt hours is this unit taking?
20 kilowatts, 4 batteries, 5 kilowatt, 1 battery.
Envitech Corporation. Okay, let's have a look. We got some micro inverters, are we? Are we doing micro inverters here? Ah, look at. Let's just go straight to the big one. Well, that's business as usual. Now, what's this? How many watts?
Output 2012.
2 kilowatts. And how many panels can we put in it?
4 panels.
4 panels. That'll get us 2 kilowatts these days. We can put oversize. What's the maximum power you can put into this PV?
650.
650 watt panels times 4.
Yes.
There you go. Fantastic. Evertech, not Evertech. What did GCL?
Yes, sir.
I know GCL. Very big company, yeah?
Yes, big company. We're coming late. Only have this.
You were in Australia, and then you're not in Australia, and now you're back in Australia.
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly.
So you got your panels, and you got your inverters.
Oh, sorry.
And I like this. I hate all the plugs and boxes and stupid stuff on the bottom.
Yeah.
You've got a thing. You open, you connect it, and all the things go into the bottom with conduits and tape. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. And they've got HV and low V. And a coffee machine. Looks like a 10 kilowatt 3-phase inverter. What are these guys doing? Looks like they got some sort of an app. Monitoring device. Energy monitoring. But is it also able to switch things on and off? I don't know. It looks like there's a contactor in there. It's an energy consumption meter. Smart plug. Yeah, there's a smart plug. And we've got some smart circuit control right there. Helioscope. You doing energy monitoring?
No monitoring.
So
just production analysis.
Production analysis and assessment. What's this? This is your software, is it?
Yep. Yeah, that's.
I see. Also for designing, pre-installation.
Yep.
Pre-installation.
Yeah, exactly. So we're really living that kind of pre-contract.
Yeah. Pre-contract stage. Yeah, got it. For obviously big commercial system. Done. Oh, looks like there's another one here. Another stall, very small. I thought they were the same one, the same guys. Lils, what are they doing? Oh, okay. All right, well, we've got some more monitoring by the looks of it. What are these units doing? Here we go. Top left-hand corner says Energy Management Zone. So all of these guys are monitoring your systems, drawing fantastic graphs on your monitor. You're into energy management? Energy management?
Yes.
What is that? Is that like a data center? Looks like a UPS system to me. But that's for data. Okay. Battery load bank test. Oh, that's a tester. Okay, and we have solar supplies here doing energy management. I'm by myself. Please bring me coffee. You know what? That is going to fit my mountain bike just perfectly. Oh, they make, they're selling Axitec panels. Oh yeah, everyone's going N-type these days. N-type, 30-year warranty. That's unique. So I'll give them a plug because I stole their bottle. There's their number, 1800 505 555. Solar Victoria. What's going on? No more rebates around here. What do they? Why does Solar Victoria exist when there's no more rebates anymore? That's a good question. I'm going to have to move faster. Q-cells, we all know, premium brand, blah, 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 blah. Solar panels, N-type technology, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And they're branching into inverters and batteries and whatnot as well. See Helion. Again, off-grid. Got the off-grid tick there. That's very good. Hey, I like the Iron Man thing on the middle. That's blue. Camera doesn't show it, maybe. Big, small, all the usual. Okay, we have Heinen. There's their package. All the usual culprits are there, including a stack of batteries, high voltage, smart box. Are these an over-glorified changeover switch? Automatic changeover switch? I think so. Vegetation management for your solar farm. Well, why don't you just introduce rabbits? Introduce rabbits, yeah. Let them eat the grass. There they are. Ah, finally, the first heat pump I've seen here today. iStore. Air to energy heat pump, yes. And it has not only a heat pump, but a bunch of other accessories, including batteries. And what a package. Very good package there. Yes, I am correct with that. They also have an EV charger.
It's like a really great location.
Oh, here's all the gear right here. Yeah, and you got 3-phase as well? Yep. Does this do 22 kilowatt 3-phase as well?
Yeah, so it's adjustable.
Adjustable, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It says right there. Yeah. But hey, I'm only doing 1 minute video, so got to get as much info as possible. Thank you. There we are. Okay, Rept. What are they doing? Batteries. Liquid cooled, like the Tesla. Okay. Here's a big container full of gear and a bunch of snacks. Looks like they're these are the modules that they build their batteries with, or they supply to battery manufacturers. I don't know. There you go. Their name is Rept. Okie dokies. What do these guys got? They got management. Looks like EV chargers here. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, got it. Thank you. There we are. Blue Scope Steeler here. Why are you here when we're at a solar show? Is this to build a massive carport and put solar on it, or what? That was a dumb question. Fantastic. Look, this is for sticking in the ground and supporting ground mount systems. Why aren't they all galvanised?
Because galvanising in Australia is very expensive. It adds about $1,000 a tonne to the price.
But doesn't it rust?
It puts a lot of carbon emissions into the atmosphere. So
but doesn't it rust though?
So this is our red core, which is higher in nickel when we produce it, and it forms a patina, which is the same as having it galvanised.
Just like they have that rusted look on some buildings for architectural design. Yeah, I get it. So you stick these in the ground.
Gauge and you just go black steel, and you go 1 mil up. And then
you just go 1 mil extra thickness, and you don't need special galvanised, expensive CO producing galvanised coating.
Exactly.
But it's all nice and shiny. Zenagi. Batteries. Look, I've got to move quickly. It's just too much here. What do we got? MK Energy. More batteries. I'm just giving them a plug. Look them up. Intech. 2.2 gigawatts. Obviously, solar farm mob here. Nice, nice. As Bruce Lee would say, Hua! I think that's how you pronounce the name. Hua Al PV. What are they doing? Lollies, condiments. Oh, they must do something. Come on, let's have a look. They're a panel supplier here with their no doubt to be anything special. PID. I like the fact that they're advertising PID resistance. Solar Giga Energy Holdings. So they're doing some big solar farms. No, they're making a panel. Making a panel. Anything flogging as a feature. Supports 1500 volts. Mechanical load capacity. Very, very good. N-type technology. All the boxes are ticked. Okay, we have a C&I energy storage system. And it's big. And it looks like it's in series. Therefore, it can't, is it positive to negative, positive to, yeah, in series. Yeah, well, there you go. Looks like it, is that a grid connect relay in there? I don't know. There's some interesting equipment here for commercial sized installations. And they are also TEPLAW, apparently. Not just C&I energy storage system. TEPLAW. I don't know if they're flogging anywhere in the distributorship around Australia. We're looking for a distributor. But this is Mingyan. What are they flogging as a feature? Probably all the usual features. Very big panel. Thin frame. Glass back. There we go. There's a feature right there. With small leads, I like that. I'd probably put that on 10-degree tilt, so don't have to clip these, just link one to the other. Nice and easy peasies. Looks like it's got some reasonable overhang distance from those mounting holes, as you can see. Cantilever distances there, very nice. Tells you where the G-spot is for maximum loading. Yeah, I'd have to give them a N-type, here we go, N-type cell. I'll give them a tick. I'm giving everybody a tick here. I'm just featuring their features, not their potential downfalls, whatever they may be. I don't know. Here we go, new energy technology. What are they doing? What's their features? A whole bunch of inverters, the usual package. G'day.
Sorry?
Usual package. You've got your three-phase, you've got your single-phase, you've got your hybrid there, correct?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
No, I'm just taking all of the... I'm taking a very fast video so I do not have to accumulate amounts of power. 3.3 kilowatt LV battery, no doubt?
Yeah, 3.3.
Is that one 50? That's an LV battery. Got high voltage battery here too? No? What's this one?
This is a high voltage battery.
Oh, that's a HV.
Yeah.
That's high voltage and 12 kilowatt inverter.
Yeah.
That's impressive for that size.
Yeah.
And, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, price is very good.
Yeah. And I'm moving the camera around a lot because I'm in a hurry. What's this one, last of all? 12 kilowatt hours per piece, or the whole package? The whole package, surely.
One piece is 12, and you can use up to 16 packages.
Yeah, that's a 4 kilowatt hour block then, isn't it? 4 kilowatt hours per...
No, one module is 12.
One module is 12?
Yeah, 3, that means 36.
Wow, you should put 12 on all of them, so it doesn't... People would think that the whole block is 12 kilowatt hours. Renew economy. And hard communication issue on the last one, but we got there in the end. What are we doing here? I have no idea. Selling t-shirts. Look them up, see what they do. And next we have something big and industrial, and it's a generator. There we go. And this is for people who need power when the sun is not shining and the wind is not blowing. PC1 group. What are you doing here? Monitoring a solar farm?
Yeah.
And these are all your tech. You're a PC1.
PC1 group from Vietnam.
Software platform, is it? Monitoring. Can you control anything with this as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. What can you control? You can control the system to limit export, for example.
Yeah.
You can do that. Alright, okay, there you go. Okay, the Electric Vehicle Council, never knew there was one. Home EV charging and the grid impact to Australia. Yes, that's why we all need 30 kilowatts on the roof with 30 kilowatt hours of batteries and a 30 kilowatt inverter for our 22 kilowatt three-phase EV charger. Every house should have it. Can't fit it on your roof, sell it to an idiot and move out with some real space to put some system on your roof. Next we have Solargis. Solargis. What are we doing here?
Hi. Can I help?
I'm just taking a quick video of everything. Okay. Accurate and efficient solar energy assessment. Is this before or after you put the system in, or both?
Can be both.
Both.
So when
Okay, Magnus Green Solar. They're doing panels. And they are doing fairly high density, 480 for that size. 440. Yeah. Designed in the US, manufactured in Dubai. That's interesting, manufactured in Dubai. Wow, there you go. Spic. Oh, they got a flexible panel here, 440 watts, flexi. That's a pretty good power density for a flexi, and it looks like it's using the is it sun power technology from about 12 years ago or more. Looks awesome. I like this one. The connectors are on top. There you go. What's this? Glass backed. What do they call that again? Forget. It collects power from the back again. Bifacial. There we go. And I reckon these guys are worth looking to see if you have a distributor in Australia, or a wholesaler in Australia. Do you?
We didn't. We are looking for.
Oh, you're looking for it. Okay, because I like your panels. Thank you. Here we go, Hyperstrong. And if we... Ooh, there's something here. No. Uninterrupted power supplies. Well, where's that? We only got little tiny models. Oh, no, there it is. It is. I thought that was just a partition, but it was a big ass system disguised as a partition. Look at that. Impressive. DMEGC are making big panels. The usual. Everybody seems to be up to speed here on the panels. I've got to say, I've got to move quickly. Probably all the boxes are ticked. The boxes are ticked here. 505, 555, and who knows what that is out there. They do have a distributor here, Melbourne Sun Over. Okay, what do we got here? Fridges and UPSs, and they are for a big display for oh yeah, they got more. I was going to say, for a couple of fridges, big display. Now they got the usual. This is very neat. Oh, this looks very nice. Aesthetically, that is impressive. And look, you just plug a generic pad in there to see what's going on by the looks of it. Oh, IP65, fantastic. I'm getting I'm not turned on. I'm impressed. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, we've got our EV charger. Oh, these guys are ticking all the boxes too. Gotta say, it's pretty competitive this year. Very nice, very nice. I'm pretty sure they got a distributor. Oh, they're making their own panels too. Just one question. Nah, stuffing me's talking. I'll keep moving on. Find a distributor yourself in Australia. Okay, what do we got here? Power, Chint make accessories, protection, circuit breakers and whatnot. What else are they doing? I can't see a brand name on this thing. Is that a Chint?
No, so it's going to be branded Eversure, which is a
Eversure.
brand of our
So you're going to call your Chint stuff Eversure?
No, just the EV charger.
Just the EV charger, got it.
But it's got the Chint product inside. So
it's got the Chint product running your EV charger that's going to be called Eversure.
Eversure is the brand of our distributor, which is TE Power.
Oh, they're your distributor, right?
Yeah. So.
And you got other goodies as well?
Yeah, there's lots of stuff around. There's
he's a distribution board.
Distribution boards.
Yeah, what? I can ring up and get a prefabricated one, can I? Yeah.
Or we could organise something.
Or you're just selling the gear?
We're looking at selling the
gear, not the board.
Well, no, we'd be selling the board.
Really?
Unloaded.
Yeah, unloaded, and add the goodies as you go. Yeah, got it.
The goodies, yeah.
All right, and just a quick video over here of the goodies. Righto. I do like weatherproof switchboards.
The weatherproof is a new range.
Who's selling those?
Sorry?
Who's distributing those here?
So we're selling. So TE sell those through the
which ones? AWM. Yeah, I'll look at AWM because I don't like the surface mounted. I like the weatherproof for all situations because there's no room in those things. There's room in these things.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. They're much better. AWM. Got it. Thank you. Alrighty. Heng Tong Group. Again, we've got our battery modules. Here we go, 5 kilowatt hours per module with Heng Tong Group. We've got our 3-phase inverter, which goes all the way up to 15 kilowatts of panels and 10 kilowatt output. Maximum grid input power. Oh, you can run 22 kilowatts through it. Backup is 11 kilowatts. No, pretty good features. But to get to 15 kilowatts PV array, you got to go commercial because Australian regulations currently limit us to 600 volt residential. You won't get 15 kilowatts on the roof and stay under 600 volts with the current Australian regulations. But looks like that ticks all the boxes. Flanders, state-of-the-art, and they are doing very, very sexy presentations. Apart from that, what else are they doing? Looks like big business to me. Big business. Can't even tell what they're doing, such big business. Fluid dynamics, perhaps they're developing a warp drive, I'm not sure. Big, expensive ships, yes, very, very big business, this. Whatever the hell they're doing. I don't see what it's got to do with solar. So Flanders is a region of Germany, yeah? No?
No, we are insulted, huh? No, we are from Belgium.
Belgium. Flanders is a region, not a company.
Yeah.
Okay, and it looks like you're got the sort of people that would take on contract to rebuild Nord Stream after they get blown up by whoever. Yeah. Who blew up Nord Stream? I'm just. We will do that. So you'll build Nord Stream again. Well, anyway, that's the size of the contracts that they're doing. There you go. Poor Sun. Okay, they're making panels, and they're advertising. Well, you know, you can look at all the features of all the panel manufacturers, and they're all very much ticking the boxes on N-type technology, this, that, and the other thing. But look at this, 744 watt panel. Wow. PVH. Solar tracking mob. There you go. Game-changing solar. Solar farm. What are we doing here? You installing solar farms, are you?
No, we don't.
Well, why the surveyor equipment? Huh?
No, we just do the technology actually.
Ah, you're doing the surveying?
The trackers. No,
the trackers. Oh, you're doing trackers too. I get it. Okay, Proteus is doing a big system or 2 or 3. Look at that. Oh, they're still in the game. I haven't seen them for years, but then again, I haven't been here for years. Kelb, they make the cells that go into various manufacturers' batteries. What is this long, skinny one? Cell Solutions, yes. And don't know who they're making them for, but they may make their own. You're making your own battery? Yes, you are. Here we go. They're making their own batteries as well. There we go. What is this? A battery-powered ship or something? What are they? What's the shipping got to do with anything? Oh, pure electric sightseeing ship. Well, that's amazing. KYT Energy Technology. Looks like they're doing ground mount systems. Racking, roof. Oh, racking. Right. What's your solution for the earth plate, which vexes me no end?
Different angle.
Yeah. Here we go. Another one that has a hole. A hole means that it will move with the panel. Okay, here we got some steel. What are they making steel for? I don't know. Ground mount systems, maybe? Alrighty. We've got some EV chargers here with Ingleteam. Okay. That looks like a rapid DC charger there. Got some AC ones. And that's what they do. As well as, what else do they do? They do that part of the system. What are we doing here? Racking? Oh, here we go. What's your solution to the... Ah, here we go. This one's not too bad. This is horrible. These you need to throw away and go with this one.
Yeah, yeah.
We've got some more racking here with Fujian Minfa aluminium. And we have some solutions for the earth plate. Yes, we do. Nice. Where's your mid clamps?
Mid clamp?
Yeah. This is good. Not so good. I don't like these ones. You got a good one like this with a hole in the middle as an option. This holds that up, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Do you have an alternate solution for the earth shim? The earth plate? You have a better earth plate than this?
Yeah, we have many types, but
good.
We only bring this too. Yeah.
Oh yeah, good. Got a tripod here. Oh, that's interesting. You got clip lock feet. Oh, and a very tall L brackets. Wow, look at that one. This is for tilt rack, is it? Is this like for? Is this for angle? What's that for?
No. It's just a sample.
Just to get it high.
This one is a higher one.
High, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, fantastic.
Yeah.
Ah, it's good that they listen to me for feedback. Otherwise, they don't know. I just was commenting on things that annoy me as an installer, like crooked roofs. So they got very tall L brackets over there. So why not make the slot longer? Anyway, here we are at HT Hume. I don't know. We've got a big battery bank there. And it has commercial applications. What else they got apart from what do they call it? Merch. We've got some very big battery bank here. This is just almost like a Tesla farm that Elon Musk put in. What else we got here? Individual cells. They make individual cells. Ostra Energy. They are suppliers of this, that and the other thing. I had a look at them, not bad. It's an unfortunate name. They should not be calling anything in English cactus because of the slang term for cactus. But it does the job. I looked at all the specs. Very nice system. Now what else we got? The reason why I say that is because the guy behind Cactus jumped from SMA to Goodwee to Cactus. So some rich Chinese guy behind it, and I trust those brands. What do we got here? Jinko. Yes, Jinko. So this of course is a distributor, a wholesaler, Ostra Energy. So they got the whole bag of, there they are, all their brand names that they supply. Cornex. More cell manufacturing going on here, and they got a big battery. What is this, a model? 46 kilowatt hours. Is that a model of one? I can't imagine putting 46 kilowatt hours in that, no way. Oh well, you work it out, go and look them up. Cornex, Franklin. What are they doing? I don't know. What's this? EV chargers. Jet Charge. Power Plus. Looks like they got the SMA here. Got some glass reinforced plastic boxes with inverters inside there. Oh look, a Noark is, they use switchgear. What are they doing with an inverter? There you go. Ah, very good. I love this. I love the fact, well, they almost got it. They got the MC4 in the bottom, but they got these cable glands with a box that they take off the front and wire everything in. put a water drain there too if they want. You can put one in one of these empty slots here. Oh, it has. There you go. Go EV mob here. Well, there you go. DA Solar. Looks like they're doing panels. Ticks all the boxes. A lot of glass back ones the show this year. Look at that. Bifacial. Black on black. Good power density there. 440 watts. Here's a 630. LG. They're doing the batteries and they jumped into bed with Goodwee to make their inverters, which Goodwee make the GE. So they're a trusted brand if GE will lend their name to them. I think the highlight of this is this inverter battery thing here. This is to couple your battery to 3-phase AC output. What a little zooming, that's like a micro inverter for a battery. What do we got here? Hootie and Cloud. You're doing commercial batteries, huh? Looks like it. BESS. Runergy. Okay, what are Runergy doing? Panels.
Yes.
Got it. Okay, let's see what we got here. 585. Big one. Is everyone going glass back? Yes, they are. Why is everyone going glass back bifacial? Why is that? What's going on here? Everything's glass back bifacial. I'm seeing a lot of it at the show.
Fracture, everything.
Yeah.
They're able to be quite competitive with their prices.
Okay, they're making their own cells, and that means they can make whatever they want. They're going to make flexible panels next year.
Yep.
Great. And they've got the standard ones over here. Yeah, that's a pretty good power density there, 625. Identimark. Labels. HTSAE. Is that how you say it? SAAE? How do you say say? SAAE. So you just say SAAE, or do you say say?
No, I'll give you the word. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
You're sending it to someone?
No, I'm just taking notes instead of building up amounts of paper.
Oh, okay.
You're doing N-type panels.
HTSAE. HT is an acronym for Hungtai.
Hungtai.
In Chinese.
And the SAAE, aerospace, yeah.
SAAE stands for Shanghai Aerospace Automobile Electromechanical.
In English, our letters, yeah, got it.
Yeah. So
I'll take their word for it. Okay, thank you. But let's look at the tech. We're doing panels. No, I don't need brochures. I'm taking the notes because of the. I'm avoiding. I'm saving a rainforest as we speak. But we got some glass back bifacials, which is a big trend at the show this year. What's going on with that?
Well, these are our utility scale. So
yeah, but why is everyone going bifacial glass back?
Oh, look, it's really for the utility scale where they're going to have them pitched up on the roof and they're going to get reflective light coming off the grass.
Oh, it's anything pitched. Yes.
You know?
Would you? I did 10 degrees pitched recently. Would you recommend 10 degrees for bifacial?
10 degrees is okay.
It's okay. It's
but
okay.
We would classify as
bifacial. Yeah.
Cleaning, self-cleaning.
Yeah. Well, that's why I put them at 10 degrees. Self-cleaning. Yep. Flat is disastrous.
Yep.
But anyway, a lot of light coming from the back of those at that angle.
So the flexible one up to 15 degree flex.
Yep, 15 degree flex. Yes.
Yep. It's glass front.
Glass
frameless.
Frameless.
Glued onto your substrate. So onto the roof, onto the side.
Just glue it on.
Literally glue it.
Literally
on.
glue it on.
Yep.
And what's at the back? Normal vinyl. EVA. They call it EVA. Yeah. And that's why you've got your connectors on the front.
Yeah,
they cause a shadow if you don't get them right.
No, well look, you can have them anywhere depending on how you want. There's probably a little clip that you can.
I'd like to put a clip there, make that
and just
straight.
Straight, right?
Yeah,
so you can have them anywhere from a couple of 100 mil to 1.2 metre length, depending on what you want.
You can actually get these framed. What's the advantage of these being framed than those? Because it's lighter weight, and also you can actually not damage them by flexing them.
Not damage them, no.
Yes, very good. I'm impressed. CQ Solar. So these are your little modules to pick up the data.
Well, more than pick up the data, they do the whole management of the solar panel.
Management. Oh, they also manage the efficiency, like an optimizer.
They do all MPPT. You don't need any
MPPT as well. Well, this is interesting.
The whole works and jerks.
Yeah, it is.
You can hook the end of the string directly on the battery and charge it from these only. You've got your high voltage battery, hook it straight on.
So you can put up to 1 kilowatt per unit. SenseHawk. You guys doing reporting of what? This monitors the whole solar farm?
Yes.
Got it. Can it do any control as well, like a limit export or no?
No. Management and
Construction and management.
Defect remediation.
Defect. Identifying where the screw-ups are. Got it. Thank you. MGA Thermal. What are you guys doing?
Thermal energy storage.
Oh yeah, thermal energy storage. There it is in the cutaway of the building. And big ducting going through to and that uses that G spot between solid and liquid, doesn't it? Yes, got it. Yeah. Manshan Kinsey Energy. What on earth is going on here? We've got ventilation in the roof, fair enough. And it's got a solar panel on it for why SolarWiz? That's the question I'm asking. So the point of this is this solar powered fan will move more than twice as much air as a normal 23 times. 23 times more air than a normal one. That's driven by the wind. Thank you. And next door to these guys are the same guys, and they're doing a flexible panel too, 475 watt. That's pretty impressive for this size. Flexible, yep. Where are the plugs on this one? Oh, you've gone on the back. Some people put them on the front, you've gone on the back. There we go. And these guys, these are flexible ones here? Is this the flexible one here, this brochure? Oh, never mind, don't worry. Okay. You have a distributor in Australia, or we got to ring you in China? So I got to ring Fancy Zhang in China?
Yes.
Fancy name, no?
Yeah, Fancy. Yes.
Hi, Fancy. How you going? Cheers. Plus the usual panels as well. So the brand name is Kinsey. Kintz, not Kinsey. Kintz. Pylon.
Are you hiring for it? What's hiring for it?
This is I don't know if it's design or monitoring. It looks like monitoring. Are you monitoring here? Monitoring software.
Solar design software.
Solar design software. Okay, got it. Thank you. Titanium Star. Looks like they're doing your LiFePO batteries. Replacement for lead acid and LiFePO. And what on earth is this one?
Smart one.
5 kilowatt hours. 5 kilowatt hours. Very good. These guys are. Well, we've got titanium solar up there. It's titanium star up there, but here it's Celion.
Distributor.
Oh, so these are the distributors in Australia. Got it. All right, taking notes. Thank you. It's got Bluetooth, more than 4,000 cycles. Blah 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 blah. Okay, Haynes, what are you guys doing?
Supply labour.
Labour. Me. I'm a solar installer. There we go. For solar farm installation. Better apply. Cyclen Po. Oh, you're doing LiFePO batteries, yeah? Yeah. Okay, here we go. There's our 5 kilowatt hour, 5 kilowatt hour. This one's interesting. What's this flat thing over here? 12. Oh, that's designed for automotive. 12.8 volt, yeah? Lithium batteries.
12 and 24.
Now these are deep cycle, but can they crank an engine?
Yeah.
Don't know. Your English is not great, is it? Oh, you're also doing this stuff here. You're doing the package for the domestic hybrid.
Yes.
Yeah, residential hybrid. There we go. LiFePO battery. That's the technology. Taking video notes, not paper. Thank you very much. Warehouse in Shindi. Was that in China? Oh, Sydney. Sydney. Got it right there. Wall box. EV chargers, and what is special about this, apart from the beautiful glowing LED lights, is the Quasar 2 by the looks of it. What is it doing? It's a 3-phase vehicle to home, vehicle to grid, on a solar panels with the EV charging. Oh yeah, that's interesting. I can't see any specs on it, but that looks like the main thing here. And they're just standard EV chargers over there, wall box. Here we go. We got our batteries, yeah, and there's our stack there. Is that an inverter on top?
Yes.
Yes, it is an inverter on top.
Yeah.
And then we've got some batteries here without inverters on top. They go with this inverter. Oh, you got your own inverter. Huni. Yeah, very good, very good.
Very close to honey.
Yeah, very close to honey.
Yeah.
And is your replacement for lead acid batteries?
Actually, this is the MPPT. This is the inverter. This is the inverter.
Oh, that's your inverter.
This is inverter for
MPPT.
Power station.
Yeah.
This is the MPPT controller. This
Right.
is the BMS, all designed by ourselves.
Oh, you all designed your own.
Yeah.
Your own electronics. Fantastic. They designed their own. They didn't just plug them. And that is an inverter on top.
Yeah, the inverter in top, and each layer is 5
Is this AC
kilowatt.
coupled, or you put the PV into this one on top here as well?
Yes.
You can put PV. Where's the PV input?
PV input is in here. You can find the AC,
Oh, yeah.
PV,
Oh, yeah.
PV,
Got
positive,
it.
negative, yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Do-
This is me. This is
Yeah,
my
that's
number.
you. But
Yeah,
do you
yeah.
have a distributor in Australia?
We have some partners in China, in Australia, but we don't distributing our own brand yet.
Oh yeah. Okay, got
I
it.
would say.
So that was Huni. Who are Emerald Energy and Credix. What on earth is this? It's like an all-in-one something.
And then it also connects to other.
Is this a heat pump by any chance?
Yes.
It is a heat pump. Very sexy.
So
Righto.
which then also controls via the app.
ID Maytech. Obviously ground mount systems here. They were from WA, a distributor, wholesaler, and now in Hallam of Melbourne, just down the road from me, selling all of the usual suspects here. We've got premium gear really mainly, some Selectronic and after-all Victron, bunch of Lifey Power Plus, yeah, also from Melbourne, I think somewhere in the eastern suburbs like Bayswater or something. Yeah, there we go. And popcorn, fantastic. I'll grab some of that. And we're also supplying Fronius, yeah, with a BYD battery, yeah, and Goodwee. Also, Goodwee has their own battery. Yes, that's not the Lynx, is it? Yes, it is. It's the Lynx. There we go. Taking some notes here. So Far Solar. Nice, neat package there. What do we got? Inverter on top, yeah, which is the trend these days, and that would be 5 kilowatt units, wouldn't it? It's 15 kilowatts there with probably a 5 or 6 kilowatt inverter on top, yeah? Got it. Schneider Electric. Well, we all know Schneider are. They make everything. They bought our Clipsal, blah, 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 blah. Here's their switchgear. But what else are they doing on the side? What's their side hustle? Oh, let's here's their Clipsal box. Oh, they're doing a Schneider EV charger. Fantastic. So they're getting to EV chargers, are they?
What are they, mate?
Yeah, Schneider's getting into EV chargers, right? Okay, and they've got their big DC thing. Trade Zone. You can buy their gear online. Competitive prices and a bit of mini golf. Well, they supply a lot of gear, and there's some of it over there, the Sonnen. I've never done that. It's sort of like a premium battery, so you pay a little more and everyone's a tight ass, hey? So what do we got here? Nice deck tights, haven't seen that before. Some nylon concrete, haven't seen that for a while. What are these? Are these, hold on, wait a sec. No, they're plastic. I thought they were stainless steel for a second. Okay, oh, I've got to get out of here before they catch me. Array. Who the hell are Array? Let's go and have a look. Solar farms. Racking. There we go. Obviously flipperoo as the sun moves across the sky. So I don't think they're flat earthers here at Array. Franklin. And yet another name with a big battery generator. Looks like it's a decent size here. Wonder what specs are on that thing. Let's go and have a look. The AC coupled, thank you. AC coupled battery with a built-in inverter. Okay. Where's some specs on this? I'd like to see a spec sheet on this.
Yeah, we'd like to.
So we're looking at 13.6 kilowatt hour per unit. That's why it's a big battery. And what about the inverter? Where's the inverter?
5 kilowatt.
5 kilowatt.
And 10 kilowatt for 10 seconds.
Oh yeah. So it's not it's a single phase inverter, but it's a big battery. Got it.
Yes, and for installer only.
Running a promo for installers. That means I'll get one cheap if I want to put it in.
Yeah.
Jinko. Well, we all know who Jinko is. There's your usual bifacial. They're all premium panel. Whatever they're doing, Jinko's doing for sure. They got a huge turnover. Look, they've rebranded some gear. Looks like they've rebranded a Grow Watt, the sponsor of the show, to have a all-in-one single warranty package deal with your panels. And then we've got Trina Solar next door, and the panels are here, and as usual we've got some bifacials. Seem to be the theme of the show here with regards to panel, and some big 700 watters. Look at that. Oster. Another panel manufacturer. What are they doing here? 680. Getting up there. Getting up there with a bifacial. There you go. Supply partners. Yes, they are a distributor or wholesaler, and they're doing all of the brands, as we can see. Competitive prices. I know, I get their mailing. I'm on their mailing list. They give me prices every month with the new mailing list. Quite competitive prices. Haven't seen the, I think, Fox ESS. I saw this in a stand. I better go and do a review of it. And Easy Rack. What's... Oh, look at that. Earth shims. I like Easy Rack Earth shims. Fantastic. Anything that moves with the panel is good enough for me. What else we got here? Fronius, Sungrow. And there we go. Yeah, I've put one of them in. You got to watch Sungrow because they got two apps. One for Australia, one for the rest of the world, and it'll totally do your head in. It's my only criticism of Sungrow. But other than that, their equipment seems to be quite reliable and works pretty well. We're still here at the supply partners, and they're doing AERL, one of the original and best Australian-made MPP trackers. Here at supply partners. And, well, Cell Electronic have got themselves at least a battery compartment. Have they got a battery? I don't know. We have Kranich. Kranich, of course, another supplier, just like Supply Partners and Austria Energy. Pretty good. They got a nice website, tells you all the prices if you get an account. And g'day. Just taking a quick video of your range of goodies. Oh look, it looks like a grid protection box right there. Looks like Clenergy. What's this racking system with the proper earth plate that doesn't move when you're putting the panels on it? Easy rack. Got it. Gee, I better get going. I've recharged my phone. SA Jub. Why? Because it's got 4 trackers. Look at that. And of course they got the usual suspects there, big 100 kilowatt system there. But the other thing here at SAW that caught my eye is this 2.2 kilowatt microinverter with individual inputs for PV 1, 2, 3 and 4. Amazing. And of course they got their hybrid solutions here. I think there's a HV, yeah, here we go, HV. These are HV. Ah yes, Sakame also have these clamps that clamp into the DC bus on a solar farm, so you can plug your strings in via string protection fuses. O'Brien Energy, they will manage your boiler power usage. These guys trade in VEECs and don't bother unless you're doing 200 kilowatts or more. Unlimited Energy Australia. Well, oh yes, they're doing a made in Germany battery here called Testvolt, and it is in bed with one inverter brand. I was talking to them yesterday, SMA. Is Green Bank, they are rebates traders, STCs, Prime Volt. Let's have a look at these guys. They got their usual culprits here, the 3-phase, oh that's a hybrid, look at that, back up. So again here, another one. We've got our big 100 kilowatt by the looks of it. What else we got here? Our battery. This looks like our, that there is our standard issue domestic residential type there. Single phase, here's our 3-phase, 10 kilowatt. Yes, look them up. What are they? Taiwanese. There you go, Taiwan. So this stuff was made in Taiwan. Probably good quality, I'd imagine. They've also got these, whatever they are, probably grid connection only. 10 kilowatt TL, 3-phase. It's got this, what? Arc fault circuit interrupter. Very interesting. That's something I haven't seen published in the features very often. There you go, arc fault circuit interrupter. Yes, if you're worried about DC fires. Here we go, Shenzhen. We are doing UPS systems with PV. They do, yeah, PV goes in there. And now we've got Sunny Gene Power. So we're doing solar panels, yeah? Got any crazy features about your solar panels? Apart from probably competitive price, there's one. 585 watts. That's a pretty small panel for 585 watts. That's a very small panel for 585 watts.
It's the technology called TopCon.
What sort of technology is called? Oh, N-type. N-type TopCon. What's TopCon? Oh yeah. So they tell me that they can squeeze 585 out of this thing because they're using N-TopCon. And that is Ginergy.
Yes.
There we go.
Tier 1 brand.
Tier 1 brand. And you got a distributor here?
Yes.
Where's your distributor?
This one.
Who?
This is the boss.
That's the boss of the Chinese factory. Oh, Keysborough. Oh, in just down the road from where I am, in southeast suburbs of Melbourne.
Yes.
Got it. Okay, energy storage system. Usual culprits once again. We've got our lithium batteries, and we've got our inverter. Oh, look, there's so many of these at the show that really it's up to who your connections are, prices, but I'm sure they're all very good. Now, what do we got here? We've got, some of them have some standout features, which I do point out if I come across those features. What do we got here? We've got a, it's like a maximum voltage 600 volt. This is the standard issue. Very neat package there with the hybrid inverter. It's like you've got this typical stack here. I've already done these guys right at the start. That's an interesting way of spelling Eureka. And Eureka is part of Energy Queensland. And they're doing some AC chargers for EVs. Meanwhile, across the road here we got cables and accessories by the looks of it. By RR Cable, wiring cables. Looks like they do the whole shebang here. There you go. What else we got here? We got this panel lifter. Everyone. And a bunch of thermal energy solutions. Check out that. Water heating. What else we got here? Part of the system there that we just saw. Water heating technology, yeah. Okay. Probably a, what is this, a power diverter by any chance? The photo power manager, space heating can achieve cost. Looks like a power diverter. Anyway, look it up, MYPV. I've done these, guys. What am I doing? So we got EPEVA, I don't know, and they got the usual culprits. There we go. G'day, just having a look at the range you've got here. Looks like you got a LV battery. What's this, an all-in-one UPS? Yeah. Got some batteries to switch out for the old lead acid here. We've got the hybrid here, all-in-one. Inverter, charger. Lithium battery hanging that on the wall too, are we? That's a bit original. So look at that. We've got a lithium battery on the wall. There we go. And pretty basic graphics there, which is what you want. Keep it simple. And it's just light, so it's not going to get affected by the sun too much, like an LCD screen or something. Okay, what else we got here? Off-grid controller. Okay. Look, reminds pure, just basics. Pure sine wave inverter and a solar charge controller. There they are. Attached power diverter. They don't have much going on with the display, but I know that they do a power diverter. Where is it? Yeah. Power diverting. Weather zone business. Well, they're predicting your yields from using weather data. I think I've been along here already. No arc. Oh yes, I like their design here with the gland plate here. Probably get rid of them as well. Put glands that go straight into terminals. We've got this cover, very much like a control panel. Here we go. Love the design of this with that box on the bottom with glands going in. Like I said, just improve it by get rid of the MC4s. Get rid of the MC4s, I said. Probably even mount DC isolators in there. Oh, I'm living in fantasy land, but hey, pretty good, pretty good. I love the way. Get rid of all that messy conduit on the bottom and just go straight in. And of course, they're more related with switchgear. I think they jumped in bed with GCL with that inverter over there. I was here this morning. I never saw this. Wow, look at that. Back and forward. That's pretty unique. Looks like it's solar powered in itself with a thin film. Trade Pacific in Queensland. I buy off them all the time, mainly to get some solar boxes. Here we go. We've got some glass reinforced plastic perhaps, switchgear, etc, etc. I buy the weatherproof enclosure off you for solar, and I've seen a lot of people use that enclosure for their arrangements. You're in Brisbane, right? Yeah. Sunshine Coast, yeah. Just up the road from Brisbane, yeah. There we go. What's this? Is this an enclosure you're selling, is it?
Yeah, so enclosure, so it's basically showcasing our custom enclosures we do.
EV charging station enclosure. Put your electronics and gear in there and away you go, yeah.
Design.
Okay, new energy technology. Big stuff. Big stuff. Give them a look. And smaller stuff. G'day. This is your hybrid package for the house, hey? Very good. It's got the inverter at the top and a bunch of batteries. How many kilowatt hours is that thing? 15 kilowatt hours. Nice package. Lovely. Good size, that one. Thank you very much. And your Jayco. Not the Caravan, J-I-E, but you could put one of these on your Caravan. Have I been here before? I have no idea. Too many stalls. Looks like Zeron, and you guys are doing accessories.
Nope.
Doing accessories, are we? For solar?
Yes.
K-Star. They've got one inverter on display, but I'm sure they've got more. Oh, speaking of more, here we go. And a big ass hybrid, is it? I don't know. Is this a hybrid? Can't tell. But look, is that just grid connect inverter?
Yeah, this is a hybrid
Just
inverter.
Grid connect inverter only. Where's the hybrid? Where's your big hybrid? In here. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. We've got a whole bunch of batteries.
20 batteries.
20 batteries, and we've got an inverter somewhere here, have we?
This is all in one.
All in one, yes. Oh, so this inverter is for these batteries. Ah. Gee, I'm just, yeah. And we've got some ducting here to hide all the mess, because I'm an installer and I know all about that. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, that's a screen. A screen to keep it out of the sun. Very smart.
Yes.
Okay, MI Engineering, probably just wholesaler, I'd imagine, with all those brand names stuck all over the place. Wholesaler, yeah? You know, are you from here?
I work here, yes.
Yes, so you're a wholesaler.
We are a wholesaler.
Yes.
Distributors of different brands.
Yes, of course, and you got the Victron, and you got the Pylon-Tech. Oh yeah, all the name stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And you're based where?
We are based in our headquarters in Sydney.
Sydney.
Yes.
I haven't seen you. You're not in Victoria, are you?
We do have a branch here in Victoria.
Where?
In Melbourne.
Where?
In Croydon South.
Croydon South. Oh yeah, I've got to go a bit up there, up to the eastern suburbs. Yeah. Okay,
and
good.
We have facilities in Brisbane and in Perth as well.
Brisbane and Perth. Okay, thank you.
No worries.
And these guys are supplying this hard to get. What is it? Where is it? 400 amp. No arc. Does it fit in the box? Probably not. Oh, that's a good design of. You can get 25 mil cable glands in that one. It's a bit better. And they're doing the no. Gee, this no arc is showing up a lot. There we go. MI Battery Engineering. Jiggadet. Or JGNE. I don't know how you say that. Batteries, Lifey Po. Small packages. Probably plug a PV in there. Seems to be the standard these days. And this. What are we doing here? Batteries and lighting. This is an interesting flat, sexy battery. What is it? It is, where are the details? Can't tell. Well, what's this one? 5 kilowatt? 4 kilowatt. Very flat and very stackable. And low voltage or high voltage? 48 volts. All right, thank you. Pylon-Tech. They're a very renowned brand. HV and LV, including this little sucker for your car. One Stop Warehouse, OSW wholesaler, and they will be selling you most of the stuff I'm reviewing here today. Somebody's taking some video. I better get the hell out of this shot. G'day. Do you mind if I grab a cappuccino? Yes, please. Thank you. One Stop Warehouse. I've got an account with these guys. So. I'm much more entertaining than these guys. Come on. Look at them all getting serious. Me serious? Nah. Oh, yeah, I'm serious about finding the specs, but I'll throw a fart joke in if there's one around. Now, what else we got here? SAJ. Oh, yeah, there are the supplies for SAJ, which I had a look at earlier. And here's their gear. Yeah. I remember Blue Etty. They do the, if you got an RV, throw one of these in. Pretty good brand apparently. All in one little unit. Throw some decent sized array, as you can see in the background there. And here they are. Pretty fancy pants. Premium stuff. You can look at the specs online, get the model you want. Kaijo battery.
Hello, battery.
G'day, Kaijo battery. Just taking a quick note. You do lithium batteries?
Yes.
Yes. There you go. You got a Victron there. To what else we got there? What's this one? No, that big thing. That's a battery.
Yes.
Yeah, how many kilowatt hours that one? How many kilowatt hour?
10 kilowatts.
10.
Yes, it's 10
10, pretty compact for 10. I like that. Thank you. Huasu Technology. What do we got here? Battery management systems. That's what the BMU is. I don't know what the SCU is. What's the SCU? What's a RCU? No one speaks English here.
RCU.
Oh, yeah. Well, you guys are going to have to look it up.
Yeah.
Lithium-ion battery management solutions.
Yeah.
Okay, Vestwoods. What are they doing? Well, they got some big unit here. The usual culprits over here. Yeah, high voltage stack, 3-phase inverter. I love the design there with the panel on the front. Is this another GCL no arc in disguise? Yes, it is. And I love the fact that they got this, I don't know what the inverter does. I've got no idea. I can't rate the inverter, but I love the way it connects with the cable glands in the bottom. Yes. There we go. Hoy Miles. That's a brand I've heard of before. And they don't have the gland plate in the bottom, which means you've got to have a lot of mess of concrete down there. Vestwoods. You've got their own battery brand. So why you got dye here? If you're Vestwoods, this D-Y-D-Y-E.
Yeah, we can
compatible. Yeah, but where do I buy this stuff in Australia? Yeah, where do I buy this in Australia? You got a distributor? No. Okay.
That is to show that
yeah.
Our batteries can.
I want to put the inverter on more quickly, and I like that design there. S5. It's like the Clayton of racking. The racking you have when you don't have racking. And the reason for that is because they have these little. Well, they got some racking, but most of it is this this thing here. You put it on the corner of the panels and lock them down, as you can see in the photo there. Where's a good example? There it is. See that? That goes on the roof, and I've never used it. I don't know how you go lining up the panels, but they sell it. There you go. Here we go here. Oh, it looks like you don't need to line up the panels if you've got clip lock roofing, because everything's in, you just have to pull a string line and get it right. And that also just screws directly into the tin there, which means you can pull a string line and get it tight right. Because if you rely on using tech screw holes from the builders, they're shonky as hell and they'll be all over the place like a dog's breakfast, and you won't be able to line up your mid clamps. So they've taken that into account. So this will work. Morning Star. What do we got going on here? We've got pure sine wave inverters. And you've got fully integrated, what does that mean?
Integrated regulators, charge controllers, yeah.
Charge controller, monitoring, wireless communication. You got a multi-mode inverter here too, or just charge controllers?
Charge controllers and then standalone.
Okay.
Off-grid inverters.
So it's a bit like individual units like Victron would have.
Somewhat, except we have integrated systems now too. So
integrated systems.
Integrated meaning not only the regulators, 100 amp charge controllers, 48, 12, 24 volts. Includes 30 amp load control. Victron does not have that, and it's all integrated, so you can do shunts for state of charge, you can do relay contact closures for ancillary devices, and we have a BMS block for closed loop lithium battery communication.
Got it. And then basically you mount that in a box.
You mount it in a box.
Yep, got it. Thanks.
Yep.
Have I done RENAC? I have no idea, but hey, usual culprits here. No, it's 9.5 kilowatt hours. Here we got a stack, and we got what's this? Is our that looks like a big inverter. Is that a 3-phase? Or or single phase? Big single phase. Here's a smaller one. It's where we go? Where we go? This looks like it's probably a grid connect only, and over here as well. So this is our hybrid. Righto, got it. Hybrid with our battery. EV chargers. Okay, they do EV charge. Get the package. All right, neat wiring hiding in there. I like that. Okay, keep moving. Renac. Shenzhen Portable Electronics. So they're doing portables. Here we go. Camping gear. Look at that. Pretty fancy stuff there. All looks like flexible monocrystalline. And you wrap up packages.
How much is this one?
It looks like they're only doing panels. They're not really doing inverters and whatnot, or UPS systems. And now we're at High Solar, and on sale for $85. It's a good buy. Yeah, have you got like maybe 100 of them? I got to put strings of. No, I can't use one only. But anyway, thank you. Yeah. What, are you serious?
Yeah.
All right, I'll take it for free. I'll see you at the end of the show, because you don't want to cart it back to China.
Yeah.
You could put it on the roof of a trailer or a car, or a little system. Cheaper. Yeah, all right, I'll see you at the end of the show. Fantastic. Thank you. And then we go out to dinner. I'm only joking. All right, okay, but only kidding. Yeah. All right, we keep going. So what we got here is Mibit Energy. It looks like they got some fancy alloys there that won't rust on the roof for cable management. I want to look at the earth shim. That's what my focus is on. Racking. Okay, it's pretty wide. I'll give them that. I don't like the U shape in their thing, but if it's wider than a block, no, it isn't. Uh-oh. Okay, we'll have to hassle them about their shims, because all this other stuff looks fantastic. There's the small 10 to 15 degree telescopic arms, and the whole range there. Zimmermann, who are German, and they do that, I guess. What are you doing? Solar racking, are we? Okay, got it. Thank you. Astron Energy. I think they're wholesalers, surely. Yeah, I think I bought off them before. I left my coffee somewhere. Don't know where I left my coffee. Oh well, too much today. Chin Power. Oh, Chin Power's got their own little battery system thing going on too. Astron Energy, what are they selling? 635 watt panel, big commercial stuff. A lot of big panels. They're all looking at going commercial. You can see what's going on. All of the commercial real estate on the roof there, on warehouses. Now the viability. And what have we got? Sol Planet. Okay, we've got the EV charger. We've got a big inverter, which is, do we see any battery specs there? Looks like it's got some 3 by pretty heavy current DC MPP trackers, so high power. I don't think it's a hybrid. Here we go. Here's our hybrid over here. High voltage, low voltage, the usual suspects. And of course our 100 kilowatt unit. Here we go. Victron. Well, we all know Victron. They got this, that and the other thing to build a system, but I'm more into getting the job done fast. Where is their multi-mode inverter? Let's go find it. I think it's something like this, Easy Solar. Big giant 15 kilowatt Quattro there. You can actually put these in 3 of these and make 3-phase output. Yes, they do that, of course. This is their multi-mode, isn't it? The Easy Solar. It's an MPP solar charge controller inverter charge. There you go, done.
You're getting it right.
3 and 5,000.
You're right.
And I think it's a piss up has started. Suman, or however you say it. Look at this. Glue it straight on the roof. What's that? It's pretty thick there. It's on some sort of pretty thick poly carb or something. I don't know, but what is this? Is this Amazing. There it is. 2.246 by 1197. How many watts is that then? 520. A bit low on the power density at 520, but hey, you've got to remember it is flat on the roof and lightweight and frameless. So there you go. That's the feature of their panels. Here's a thinner one with a flexible poly. This one's not really flexible. It might flex to the roof, but this one is super flexible. 430 watt. Okay, there we go. Lightweight solar solutions for people who have roofs that can't handle any weight. Sonnen. Sounds very German and expensive and premium. And here it is. There's a battery. Go look them up. Grab a free bottle maybe. I really miss my coffee. I don't know where I left it. Dongguan Lud Photovoltaic are doing the accessories, cable accessories. There we go. No, all good. Taking notes. Thank you. And here we have Mastek. ESS, sorry. Balcony solar battery system. Micro inverters. Straight into some fancy pants batteries. Is that what we're doing here? Balcony solar battery. That's what it says. Yeah, micro inverters to these. Amazing. Right, what else we got? We got our inverter battery package here. Okay. Solar in, PV inverter. What do you mean it's not a PV inverter in there? It's got a separate, it's got a generator. So this is more like a Selectronic. It doesn't have the PV inverter in there. Okay. A bunch of plugs out the side rather than the bottom. That's nice. I actually don't like working underneath inverter. Very difficult. Much better from the side. Back up. So you don't have the PV in there. Why not?
PV.
Yeah, PV separate. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
okay.
separate, yeah.
Right, and this is a battery?
Yeah, the battery is for micro-use.
Yeah, that sounds very easy to install. Yeah, and what's this one? This one here, again, the PV inverter is left separate.
Yeah, this is only the battery.
AC coupled.
Yeah.
AC coupled battery. So if you've already got solar, whack in the AC coupled battery here.
Yeah.
How many kilowatt hours that one?
Each block is 5 kilowatts.
5 kilowatts. Thank you. Cheers. And they are Mastek. Eva. What are they doing? Big commercial container-sized battery packages, wind farms and whatnot. All right. Talson. Here we go. Solar panels. Small stand this year. What's the latest and greatest here? N-type technology and all that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both N-type and PERC modules.
And you got any Australian contacts here? No? Where's your Australian card? Oh yeah, Australian distributor, ProSun Solar in Hallam. Yeah? Yeah.
Melbourne.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, just down the road. Everything's just down the road from me. Yeah. Thank you. Solinteg, yeah?
Can I
Yeah, scan. While I check out what does Solinteg do? Apart from brag about all the countries they're in. Thank you. Oh, they do inverters and battery. Here we go again. 3 to 8 kilowatt hybrid inverters are pretty handy size. So give it a look up and see what you think. They got all their diagrams there. Diagrams, yep. Battery backup. They got a 3-phase somewhere. I don't know. They got their smart meter there. They got their pretty fancy pants stack of. They're pretty small batteries. 2.56 kilowatt hours each. I thought they might be able to fit 3.5 in that. But anyway, there you go. It's high voltage, and you know what? It's not really about the size when it comes to residential use, because it's all about cents per watt. So good luck finding the best deal amongst all of these suppliers. Solinteg. And a few extra goodies over here. 25 to 50 kilowatt. Okay. Oh, hybrid. 50 kilowatt, 25 to 50. It's a hybrid. Look, it's got backup. Solinteg 25 to 50 kilowatt hybrid. Well done. PV1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trackers. Yeah. 4 trackers. Yeah, very good. That's a big ass unit, that. Very impressive. What sort of batteries does it go with? HV? Yeah, battery input, but HV battery?
Yeah, HV battery.
Otherwise you'd have giant terminals there.
Yes.
Yeah. Which brand of battery?
Palantech and Dennis. Palantech. They're over there. Palantech.
Where are they? Where are they hiding?
They have stand.
Yeah. Pylon Tech. Oh, yeah, here we go again with the Pylon Tech.
Pilot.
Yeah, not.
And the Dennis?
And Dynas. Yeah, well, let's go over there, hey. Thank you. En route, we go to Selectronic, premium off-grid inverter, made in Australia. Goes LV, mainly. Put 3 of them, pretty much competition to Victron. It will have data cable, however, talking to a Fronius, a Fimer, and a few other brands, as you can see over there. Put 3 of them in, and you can have 3-phase off-grid. More, Victron is and Selectronic are reliable off-grid micro systems, quite expensive. So if you're going hybrid, maybe look at some of these other types. Here we are, Dynas. If you've got a budget and you just want to save a few bucks, use your own power, go with these. Power Box Pro. This is the battery, he said, that fancy pants 30 kilowatt inverter, 25 to 50 kilowatt inverter I just went from. 10 kilowatt hour battery there. That's only a low voltage battery. We've got a, what's this, energy storage system, also a battery on the wall. Here we've got a Solus inverter. They haven't seen, oh, beautiful design. Look, everyone's finally going to this. Now I've seen a third one. Is that, pull off the cover, wire everything into terminals, go through cable lengths. They're finally learning after me complaining for 10 years. Here we have a Goodwee inverter going into a Dynas energy storage. So this is, that looks like the, is that the HV one? Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, HV. So this is the HV. Righto. Battery stacked by Dynas. So Far Solar. Have I been here before? Maybe, maybe not. They do the usual range. Big, like, what do you call it? Hybrid inverters, 3-phase. Here's the 100 kilowatt. So what's this? This is your 20 kilowatt 3-phase hybrid with your HV battery over there. Yeah. And I'm sure they're all got EV chargers to go with this stuff. And this is big commercial stuff here. Look at this. Fantastic. JA Solar. I don't know if I've done them before already. Maybe, maybe not. Let's go into their cubicle and have a look. They're doing solar panels mainly, JA Solar, but they also have some package, which is good. I mean, this is probably some other manufacturer that they got from, but hey, you know what? If you do the panels and the inverter and everything in one, you can have all the comms are very good between each other. Maybe an EV charger that's a JA Solar EV charger if they have one. Do they? Don't know. But they're all under one warranty, so it's good to get whatever relabeled inverter this is. It's still better to get the JA Solar inverter with the JA panels. I know that they mainly make panels. And that's a big one there, 630. And Pylon Tech. Have I done Pylon Tech already? Have I? I don't know. Here's their batteries. I think I did. Oh, we're doing them again. They've got their HV stack there. Yeah, I've been here. Keep moving. Don't know if I've been down here. Shenzhen recycling. What are these? Are you recycling these lithium batteries, are you? Recycle? No? What's it got recycle on it? Huh? Portable battery. You don't recycle. Okay, fair enough. Got it. See their little package there. Big generator, Yanmar. Okay, that's those guys. What do we got here? TE connectivity. Oh yeah, this system for solar farms to tap into your bus, and there's a combiner box there, and you know the fuses and the String fuses. Obviously solar farm level stuff, this. There we go. How Energy. You got the usual package here. Ticks all the boxes, you know. You got your 5 kilowatts off grid, 5 kilowatts on grid. Battery stacks there, 5 kilowatt hours each. Can go off grid. All the usual boxes are ticked with the How Energy. And they got something bigger and better over here. I don't know what it is, but looks like the main. Oh no, they got other stuff over here. Some bigger stuff over here as well. I was mainly looking at the standard domestic package over there. They've got some commercial size stuff over here. Look at this. Look at here. Oh yeah, big ass hybrid inverter. Fantastic. What's the specs on that? A 12 kilowatt. 12 kilowatt, very good size. Biggest array is 18 kilowatt array. Wow. How many trackers? 2 trackers. So obviously commercial use. If you want to go over 600 volts to get the best out of the biggest array possible in there. Now, because you know Australian regs limit residentially to 600 volts. No, it is a, what is it? It looks like a hybrid to me. There's the specs on that. Looks like it's yeah, hybrid. Nice package. Okay, and here we go. Batteries. Anti-wrecking. Can be good, can be bad. These earth shims or earth plates, they got a solution there, but this one here with the U on it, no. Yes, no. So there you go. And they've also got their slots. See that? Very big slots there for crooked roofs in Australia. And they've also got pretty small slots, noted for their small slot range, which is probably there. So you've got to pick the right, ask them for, at least ask for this particular one here, where the earth plate moves with the mid-clamped Senec. This is a all-in-one solution by the looks of it. Don't know where you plug it in. Yeah, it says all-in-one hybrid. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all the holes in the back there. Fantastic. Looks neat. What's this, a dummy? What's in the back there? It's missing the batteries. Oh yeah, all the goodies come through there and wire into something that's missing from this display. And we've got also a EV charge controller. Very good. And what do we got over here? Same thing. Oh, we've got something else over here. Bigger units. Big and blocky. Home Pro 1. And this one's flat against the wall for your carport. Looks like we've got the inverter at the top and the battery's very nice, very nice. Don't know how many kilowatt hours it is. I'm in a hurry. Senec. What else we got here? AC Solar Warehouse. They are suppliers and they will supply you all the brands that you're familiar with. This is a Cellectronic. Like I said, premium off-grid. You know, maybe you're running a resort. If you want reliability off-grid, go for it. But you've got to pay for it. Now here we go, Solar Edge, okay. I don't like to be critical, but their tech support, same with Victron, is a bit chonky tech support. So you've got to specialise in it, in these brands. As a result, that being not Sungrow. Sungrow has them. They got a few. Everyone's got issues with tech support. Come on, they got 2 apps. And like I went and scanned a barcode here, downloaded the app, couldn't find Australia, so I picked Antarctica. Then I rang them up and they said, oh, you got to delete that account because it's not the Australian app and blah blah blah. Oh, come on. But other than that, yes, it works well. It works well, but gee, very frustrating to be an installer and you're trying to get the job signed off and then you've got issues with the app. Not only Sungrow, they all have issues with the app. But when it comes to usability and intuitiveness. Here we go, the N-phase system. Straight off the microinverter into the battery, yes. Alright, I'll move on. That's AC Warehouse. Love this display. Yingli, haven't seen Yingli for a while. They were the first of the N-type manufacturers. I put N-type panels in 2012. So now, what's this P-type? What are they doing P-type when they made their name in N-type? What are they doing? N-type, here we go. Oh, and Topcon technology, I've heard about that. Very, very high density, 585 watts into a very relatively small panel. Ah, yes. That's a very compact panel. Okay, Ying Lee, ticking the boxes. Okay, Hannah Son. Alright, I don't know. Big TV screen and one panel. What are we doing? Oh, we're doing inverter package. There we go. Hybrid, there we go. There's their battery, which looks to be probably, what do we got? Battery, HV battery. HV battery. And you got, what is this, their panel? Another bifacial panel. High touch. 490. Yeah, that's pretty dense power for that size panel. Pretty impressive. And Hannison, there you go. Oh, they got a 700 watt panel too, by the looks of it, somewhere. And we've got NPP power here. They got the little package there for camping, as well as the lithium-ion battery here. What is this one? Hang this battery on the wall? Yes. Yes. Very nice. Thank you. And the pictures tell 1,000 words. And here's a standard issue 48 volt battery, as we often see. Goes in a rack. Who else we got here? SRNE Solar. And they're doing, again, same range of inverters that we're used to seeing here. They've got the big hybrid solar, and they've got the small hybrid solar, and they got their batteries. Here they are. They got their all-in-one unit here with the inverter at the top. I doubt. Is it? Is it?
Hello.
Is that an inverter on top?
Battery storage system.
Yeah, but is it inverter on top? Or,
yes.
Yeah,
inverter on the top.
Yeah. Yeah, cool. That's what I thought it was. And he said, oh, everyone's doing this now. I've seen NOAC do it, I've seen GCL do it, and I love it looks a bit blocky, I know, but I love the fact that it's got a panel on the bottom.
IP65.
IP65 panel on the bottom with glam plates. Glam plate on the bottom. Fantastic design, easy for installers.
Yeah.
So I've seen that's the same out of the same factory as about 3 other brands with a relabeling.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we better have a look and see what the hell's on the side of it.
You can have a seat.
You can't open inside because this is a dummy.
Dummy.
It's a dummy. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but it's going to be very easy to install. That's all I can say. Yeah, thank you. SEL. What are we doing here? Monitoring big systems. With monitoring gadgets here and here, right? Is that it?
Microgrid control. So
microgrid. I'm a solar installer.
Oh, okay.
There we go. You're in Preston, in Melbourne.
Yes.
So did I get it right or what? Is that what you're doing? Monitoring big solar farm systems with some software? Yeah, and you can and hardware to go with it. Can this hardware control export control, for example? Yeah. Yes, you have to, because you're playing the energy market like a stock exchange these days, aren't you? Yeah. All right, thank you. Notes. Fortune Global Tier 1. G'day, you look like a nuclear physicist, are you? No, only kidding. TW Solar, is that what we are here? Yeah? Oh yeah, solar panels. I know, I've got them on my roof. Yeah, they were the first to come out with some sort of high density panel. I used it in 2019. And TW Solar, pretty good with the power density. Here's another 585 watt panel. Power density, look at that. 585 watt in that size panel is impressive. Here's a 743 watt panel. Wow. Very high power density here. Okay, let's grab some cookies. Solar Edge. Well, they tick all the boxes as far as performance is going, but not very happy with the tech support and the instructions as an installer. I had trouble commissioning. Lots of anomalies and not very intuitive, so you've got to do a training course and probably be a Solar Edge specialist to do Solar Edge, I have to say. Other than that, yes, of course, it does everything it's supposed to do. Very high performance. 3-phase, hot water controller, EV charger. What else we got? Looks like some sort of 3-phase arrangement over there. Canadian solar panels, yeah, bit of a name brand at a reasonably good price. Tier 1, been around forever. N-type. Surprisingly competitively priced for their reputation. Looks like they're doing a battery system as well, EP Cube. Canadian Solar. Seven, 8, 9 kilowatt. Yeah, I'd expect to get that much in that size. Is there an inverter in there? I think there is. Well done. Everyone's advertising this N-type TopCon technology these days. So is Canadian Solar.
If you want somebody bigger, I'll stand beside it for you.
Yeah, you're a little guy. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm 6'3", but still, that's towering over me. That's taller than the tallest basketball player. Now, tell me, what is the? We all know N-type is. It's been around for ages. But TopCon, what's TopCon?
Yeah, it's just a variation. It's basically capturing the light in tunnels.
Oh yeah.
To make sure it doesn't bounce back.
So bit of nanotech going on there to capture light in tunnels. Yeah, like the parabola effect.
Oh, I like that. Can I use it?
Yeah, you should say that. Yeah. Parabolas, you know, in the torch, the lens of the torch is designed to send all the light in one direction, but in reverse, it captures all the light and focuses it in. That's why I use the word parabola.
Yeah, it stops it from escaping.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
So that's what TopCon is.
Yeah, so basically it just gives you a bit more energy per square metre.
Yeah, I noticed that the power density is improved. Yeah. This one's 705 watts.
Yeah. That is a.
Here we go. Siege Energy. Oh wow, they got a very impressively big, massive looking show off to your neighbour's system here. Yeah, with the what is it, Iron Man thing in the middle, as they always do, with the EV charger. This is a package, yeah. What's this one? Not 3-phase, is it?
Yeah, this is our flagship product decided to store.
Oh, here it is. Here it is. AC output. Yeah, an installer. Yeah. Yeah.
Then there's something about product, right?
25 kilowatts. Charging module. Oh yeah, up to 25. Yeah.
There are 2 models.
Battery capacity. Each unit is how many kilowatt hours?
1 to 6 batteries per stack.
5.
Maximum.
One is 5 kilowatt hour.
If you're using the EV DC charging models, then 5. If you don't use EV DC charging models, then 6 packs.
Oh yeah, and you got single phase and 3-phase.
Both.
And solar inverter on top here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also
yeah.
PCS.
What does PCS mean? Where's PCS? Design. Where's PCS here?
Here.
We've got to find out the term
Battery
PCS.
Yeah.
Battery PCS.
Yeah.
I don't know what the PCS is. I know the battery management system is.
Yeah.
I know the EV charger is.
No, this is not battery management. This is energy
What's
management.
the PCS stand for?
How can I explain to you?
Battery PCS. Let's go and find out this mystery. Nice app they've got there. So PCS is basically a DC coupled inverter, charge, discharge, off-grid as well?
Of course.
Yes, thank you. But you won't need the gateway, which is a changeover switch basically. So when you won't need the gateway, substitute. You can use it as a switchboard as well. You don't need the gateway if you're going off-grid, of course.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, wire it in from the side. Not bad, not bad. Put some covers over it, hide it all. Yes, it's got some trendy. I think you've stolen the design from the Death Star. If you go and look at the Death Star, you'll see in Star Wars, you'll see these slots in the wall. See, this is what I'm talking about. In the corridors, I like that. Yeah, so oh yeah, all the wiring is hidden here behind these Death Star panels.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Here we go. Yeah, business. This one's a bigger.
So one inverter plus 6 batteries.
One inverter for 6 batteries. The big 3-phase.
Of course.
Yes, of course it is.
25 kilowatts.
Yeah, it's got the Iron Man thing in the middle and the Death Star slots on the side. TBB power. This is the basically the alternate to Victron. They got a very similar thing, except for I want the all-in-one. This is the all-in-one. Does your AC input, AC output. It's got the little thing. It's got the monitoring here, PV1, PV2. This is an all-in-one with the batteries. That's the one I really like. But all these, there's your probably competitive to the Quattro, and but I like these guys. I like these guys. Whoops! I was here yesterday checking it out for mobile, you know, systems, off-grid systems. Here's the all-in-one package. Sure, I've missed a few stalls here, like Redback. Redback is another all-in-one package, but they've been at it for a very long time. Look them up. Australian company using Goodwee hardware, but Australian stuff. Oops. Just before my batteries go flat, I wanted to check out Goodwee because it's one of my favourites. They got the pretty much everything as far as options are concerned here. We've got their commercial system here. What's this? Galaxy lightweight panel by Goodwee. I didn't know they were doing panels. Well, there seems to be a theme here at the show. Lightweight panels for roofs that can't take a load. Here we go. Goodwee all-in-one. Pretty big system here. It's more, they got their 100 kilowatt 3-phase hybrid system here. Look at that. There we go. And they got, I've been putting in their 30 kilowatt inverters of recent times. Working well. What's this? Is this a hybrid over here? Yep. Eco Smart Home. Just take a quick video. Goes with the Lynx battery. Is that Lynx battery?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and this is, what am I looking at here?
ET, sorry, ET.
ET, is this the 29.9 kilowatt hybrid? Wow. Yeah. Okay, pretty tight package for that. And then it's got the EV charger. True. Yes. And some usual culprits over there with the grid connect inverters. Hope I win the Mini.
Yeah.
Running out of batteries, the show has ended, but hey, I'll get Saft in there, who are a premium French made, I think, battery. And we've got Red Earth here. Thought I'd better get them in there. Look them up. Premium stuff, these last two. Casing, haven't done casing, racking. Let's have a look and see if they've got the earth plate right. Here we go. Where's their earth plate just quickly? I don't know, look it up. No, sorry. You've got to upgrade your earth plate there. Otherwise, fantastic looking racking. And the pad is on the bottom. Finally, with the translation problem, no, they do have a different style of earth plate, so give them a tick. I want to see the other style. Can you email the other style of earth plate? And yes, please, thank you. And then we can make life easy on the installation. Great, thank you. I don't think I've got these guys. Hoy miles. What we got here? Inverter. Where's their hybrid? Oh, here we go. We've got big whopping microinverters like everyone's doing these days. This is the comms, and this thing does 1600 watts, 800 watts and 400 watts. Got about the show sponsor GrowWatt. I'm sure they've got the usual culprits there, and look them up. These are a couple of Grid Connect inverters. I better go check out their hybrid. See, I missed a few because my phone went flat, but somebody lent me this charger, so I'm on the go with the charger. Fantastic. Look, now I can do Schletter, who are a premium German racking system, who solved the earthing problem that I can complain about a lot. They got the pricks in the big clamp there. I don't know about anodized. Usually they're bare aluminium, these guys, so they don't need an earth plate. Anyway, fantastic stuff. Now I can do BYD too. That's right, they have the car. I want this car, $48,000 for an SUV. Fantastic. Aussie dollars, that is. And of course, I've got two of these sitting in my house. Got 30.8 kilowatt hours of batteries myself. The first one I put in was to take advantage of the 4,000 $174 rebate they had at the time, so that's all I could get my hands on. Pretty good battery though, because it was COVID lockdowns and that, so I didn't have a choice. And then I got stuck with another one that was meant to go to a customer, which I had a different battery system for, because it had to be slim and fit against the wall in the carport. And we see a lot of those systems up against the wall around the place. And I ended up putting my second one on. I've got 30.8 kilowatt hours in the house. So big, solid, beefy system. That 15.4 kilowatt LVL selling like hotcakes these days to go with Victron, it's electronic, things like that. And this is their HV stack, no doubt, HVM, there we go. And I don't know what this FDLV is, low voltage something. 5 kilowatt unit, LFP, lithium iron phosphate. And what's the feature of it? Which is very competitively priced.
This is
that there?
Exactly same thing.
Same thing, but stackable.
Yeah, the only difference.
So I don't need to buy the cabinet.
Yeah, that's it.
Right,
That's
fantastic.
only, yeah,
And yeah, great, got it. Thank you.
Also,
green. You're cobalt free. What's the benefit of cobalt free? It's ethical or something because you get out of Africa or something. More friendly for the environment. And the poor bastards digging it up in Africa. Ryzen. Solar panel, big time solar panel manufacturer. Oh yeah, you're doing the bifacial here, big one. Yep, big commercial stuff. I'm just seeing tons of that at the moment. Here, 741 watts. That's very impressive for that size panel. So Ryzen know what they're doing. In fact, there we go. We got a world record going on here. Now they've also got some central inverter here, I guess. What do we got here? Big central inverter. Big battery bank. Is this batteries only, or are you doing a central inverter as well? Oh, never mind. He's not listening to me. Why would you listen to me? Doesn't matter. Anyway, Ryzen. Victoria State Government. What, are they going to give me a rebate? There's a rebate. No more rebates. What are they doing here? Anyways, XESS standalone power. Looks like Twitter. Very neat package on the wall there. If you like sexy, look at that. Look, they got the cable entry here with cable glands.
Still have cable entries, but they won't be knockouts. They'll be a bit more watertight.
I like cable entries. I don't like plugging things in. You end up with conduit everywhere all on the wall next to it.
And then this will hinge out, and you'll have.
Yeah. So this is IB20. You're working on IP54. Yeah. Okay, got it. AP Systems rings a bell. What do they do again? Oh, they do microinverters. What are they doing now? Batteries. Big inverters. Oh, fantastic. They've got the removable panel with the glands on the bottom. I love that. I love for installation. You got this panel you take off the bottom and can do all the connections through. Put the conduit into the gland plates on the bottom and get rid of the mess on the wall beside the inverter. It's a no-brainer. I've been saying that for 10 years and finally everyone's doing it. Fantastic. A great feature of the show. There we go. AP, you normally do microinverters. Now you're doing this. Yeah, there we go. Here's your microinverter stuff here. So where's your big bad microinverter? Here it is. There's your three-phase one. How many kilowatts is this one?
2 kilowatts.
2 kilowatts. There we go. Everyone's doing a big three-phase 2 kilowatt now. And we've got individual inputs here. Fantastic. Solus, very competitively priced. I've got one on my wall for my BYD batteries. My BYD LVL 15.4 kilowatts times 2. Simply because I put it all in before they had all this fancy new equipment. I couldn't really get a all-in-one 30 kilowatt hybrid at the time. Had to take advantage of some rebates. Okay, here's a big 100 kilowatt sucker. Up to 125 kilowatt. Oh yeah, they've done this too. Fantastic, everyone's doing it. Look at that, they've got the panel on the front there. They've got the cable glands on the bottom. None of the spaghetti of conduit underneath. It looks like intestines flying out of an alien. Fantastic. I love the trend. I love the trend. They're all going to go this way. Acum, 720 watts. Yes, really push it. Everyone's pushing it well over 700 watts for the big panel. N-type with the, probably this, what is it? Top something or other. TopCon. No, just N-type. Anyway, very impressive. anything over 700 watts, AK comb. Shoals inventing simple. What do we got here? Big EV chargers, ground mount systems for solar farms, big combiner boxes, a shit ton of cable. There we go. Alrighty. What do we got here? Optoelectronic devices. Racking. I've got to find those people that were giving the panels away for free. Where are they? Sungrow. Oh, I'll look them up. I've got time. I've got to kick them out. PV Connections, eastern suburbs of Melbourne. I always buy off these guys. Yeah, I forgot to mention it's all accessories for installers. You know, cables, conduits. Hey, Tesla's here. What do we got? Coming late 2024, something new. Probably a 3-phase battery. Probably Sun Power. Aren't they a panel manufacturer? Yes, they are. There we go. What do we got in there? How many kilowatts? How many watts? Sorry, 510, 550 watt there. Okay, premium brand. RCT, German technology. Interesting looking square package here with a big stack of batteries. Probably going to one of these inverters. It's like a 6 kilowatt hybrid. There we go. Gee, I missed these guys. Look at this flip up warning type box with the batteries and inverters inside. Very nice. I like the struts and everything on this. ZJ Beanie, DC isolator manufacturer. What have they got hanging on the wall over here? They're cleaning it up now, but EV charger. It's interesting. Here's another one that I didn't have time to have a look at, but will now. Here we go. We get our box there for commercial grade storage. What are they called? Pixie. Okay. Here we go. A few cars outside in the foyer. Didn't notice them on the way in. Bit of a mistake here. I pressed play instead of pause and pause instead of play. So let's see these characters that I missed earlier in the show. From the outside. Well, that looked like Stealth Energy to me. So let's have a quick look at their webpage. I can't remember the discussion, unfortunately, but it looks like it's a hybrid there, a battery here. But I was looking at something like this stack here. It's got all the usual culprits, as I said. I think there was some sort of inverter in the top of this. Where was it? Down here. This. What the hell? It's a different page now. Hold on a second. Here we go. Look at this. There we go. What is this? This thing. I think I was looking at that. What was that? What was that thing? Come on. It looked like an all-in-one thing. It looked like it has AC. Yeah, it's got the inverter in the top, as I thought. Righto. Yeah. Then there's inverters. It's got a 3-phase. Okay, done. Move on. Anyway. Thank you. Thank you. Just taking notes. I'll move on to these guys next. Well, that was Eagle Rise, so I looked them up, and they do superchargers and humongous battery systems, as you can see here. Moving along. Done. They're my notes. Thank you. Well, this is what you get when you Google Gen Z. Let's try again. Well, it's Aussie stuff, Gen Z Premium 2. I'm just checking to see if they're doing anything HV. No, they're sticking to their roots here with LV. And if I go back a step, what are we looking at? Designed and engineered in Australia for Australian conditions. Yeah, there they are. Typically big stack, big rack, big stack. Moving along, we got, what was the other one we saw there in my in-between exhibit video recording? Just to catch who the hell I just went to and came from. We got Suntech. We look at their products. Oh yes, they're doing it too. N-type top con. There you go. And that's Suntech. Been around forever. Cheers. No worries, just taking quick notes. I said I'm only looking at one thing, is the earth plates.
We only need it if we're anodizing because we've got the weaves.
All right.
We've already got the things.
Oh yeah,
so
I'll take
this is just because
it's
anodized.
Oh yeah.
And then,
well, I do recall this conversation. It's got the pins in the mid clamp, as you can see, which is great when you don't use their anodized racking. When you use their anodized racking, which is only for coastal areas, high corrosion areas, then you need their earth shims, which is locked in with the mid clamp, so it will move left and right with the block and save you from a lot of headaches when you're shuffling your panels around to get them straight. So that ticks all the boxes. S-rack.
now if you take a
So, I caught them there. Adapter. Let's go and have a look. Here we go. Looks like they're pretty serious about their solar farms, but I was more interested in their little portable box that they have there. They had the struts to lift up the solar panels and they had all their gear inside. There it is. That was a pretty impressive piece of equipment right there. I don't think I saw AES on power either. I better go check them out next. Well, here they are. Looks like they're another big time play here with their containers full of batteries. Oh, come on. Move to the next page. There we go. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Okay, moving along. So, next we have Amber Electric. Why Amber? That's a good question. Okay, we can fix it. Why are any company hiding? Okay. Flat rate, retail rate. Okay. Click here to unlock the secret of wholesale energy. Wow, let's do that, shall we? And that's what they're about. Okay, moving right along. Oh yeah, thank you. Well, that was Clivet. Looks like they've got a lot of products here. Heat pumps, hybrid systems, domestic hot water, solar panels, commercial. We've got heat pumps again, air conditioning, smart living. They got the whole shebang. Okay, I'll keep moving. We got 20 seconds per video. Running out of time. Done. Thank you. So this is Tego. They do optimizers. I did learn from the tech to prevent any chance of issues. Always plug them into the panels before you plug them into the DC bus. I did see one of their pictures here. Here it is, some sort of inverter going in there. Steel conduit, that's USA. So there you go, that's Tego. And there was one there that, and it was HH112 booth. I looked it up, it turns out it was Linkwell. And they do cabinet exhaust fans. And according to this, I don't know, I guess they do cabinet exhaust fans to all of the renewable energy industry. So that's these guys. Moving along.
The sticks are really to apply the earth.
Oh yeah.
Whatever it might be.
So you can earth HV when working on HV. It's more about these. I see these in the pits.
Yeah, well they're arranged with underground pit connectors, and these are also the overhead network.
Oh, this is also on your house, mains connection box. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Ah yes, Sucame also have these clamps that clamp into the DC bus on a solar farm, so you can plug your strings in via string protection fuses. Well, that was a pretty good rundown. I don't think I got through 375 exhibitors in one day, but nonetheless, I don't think I saw them. 5B, I don't think I saw AG Serve. I do recall seeing them, but I don't know if I took a video of them. Geez, there's a lot here that I missed. Alpha ESS, a very common brand. I put a lot of them in. Missed those guys too. They were the original up against the wall inverter on top of a stack of batteries. Those guys, Alpha ESS, so they'd be at the head of the game of that. AP System saw them. Amp Control, don't recall seeing them. Are these going to? Is this 2024 already? Look, it's got 2024. Jeez, I saw them, your son, and well, you get the idea. Good luck to you, and that was a pretty good review, and see you later.